Hey everyone, my name is Brian and I'm the 3D print creator, and today we're going to take a look at a handy feature in Lightburn. This feature is perfect for people who want to run production on their laser engraving machine, or for folks like me who want to see exactly what their laser engraving machine is doing. This feature is called the Set Finish position, and you can find it in the Move tab of Lightburn. With this function you can decide where the laser head goes after it completes its tasks. Normally, when you perform a task on a laser engraving machine using Lightburn software, the laser returns to the machine's home position. For most diode lasers, this is the position in the lower left corner. However, sometimes you might want to work on your work table, like removing something or placing something new, or you might want to film the laser results without the machine blocking your view. That's where the Set Finish position comes in handy. You can program different positions where you want the laser head to go to after finishing the job. Once you've set this position, the laser will move there when it's done with its task. Setting the finish position is easy. After you've reset the laser to the start position using the home command, use the arrow keys in the Move tab to move the laser head to where you want it to go to. When you're at the desired position, simply click on the Set Finish Position button. From that point on, Lightburn will use this position as the end point after each job. So give it a try yourself and see if you find this feature helpful. That wraps up this video. But of course I have many more handy tips and tricks about Lightburn, laser engraving and 3D printing. If you enjoyed this content, please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!